Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. Lovely device over here. However, this video is not the usual full smartphone review where I go through the games, the battery and everything else. The focus is on AI and I will be highlighting 3 AI features that I find useful for me as a content creator and as a person who likes to take photographs. So let's start off with the AI related zooming picture, of which we'll go with the examples I have right now on screen. So let's take a look at this scene. This is where I am standing, and at the far end of the scene there is a signboard, right? So let's go through the zoom and zoom and zoom until the maximum I can zoom, and that's what you get. From where I was standing, I am able to zoom in to see clearly the signboard on the highway. Now that is simply amazing. The device retails at just about RM 6,000 ish depending on the specs, but imagine you don't have to carry an SLR or mirrorless camera with a long telephoto lens and may not even get it. With the AI technology, you actually can get the things, the subject at a far distance displayed correctly. Now, here's another scene. I am at Bukit Bintang area, of which standing by the roadside, I can see the TRX tower, and once again, I zoom and all the way in. The AI did as best as it can to show the details of that tiny, tiny thing of a thing, or whatever you call it, that's at the tip of the tower. So it is absolutely amazing. The AI technology is helpful to get this kind of image, so you get to use it. From what I experienced, on the screen itself you see that it looks kind of blur. Actually everything is blur, but after you toggle the shutter, the output that you get, the image that you get is far different. It is a lot more detailed. It may not be the sharpest, but it is good, at least in my opinion. When you have a zoom range of that and this is what you get, what else can you say? It's better than nothing. That's why it's good. Now for the second feature that I like, it is how the AI technology can be used to remove things that you do not want from the picture. For example, you shot a selfie and there's someone at the back of the scene, you find it distracting and whatnot. You can actually use the pen tool to select the subject and erase it. And I have a recording for just that. So hang on, look at these things that I did an actual demo for you, so that you can see how you can use the S24 Ultra here to select and remove pretty quickly the things that you do not want to appear there. And I tell you, it looks amazing. Definitely you don't need to go to your computer and use Photoshop and anything to remove that. You can do it on your phone itself, which is simply amazing. So let's check out this recording. now for the final feature that I like, which is transcribing. And there will be a bonus point or bonus feature which I want to highlight called translating. It's related. So let's start with transcribing. As a YouTube content creator, sometimes, when I speak on these kind of things, I don't actually write the script, but after speaking everything, I would like to have what I spoke being transcribed. And some features like on YouTube, it's not exactly helpful, but this is really nice that the recording, you can just capture the details from the audio and transcribe it into text. And let me show you with the demo right now while I share to you the other details of how I find it. So basically, all you have to do is record something with this voice recorder app, and then you select that recording and then you click on transcribe, and it will just transcribe into text. And from the text itself, if you wish to translate it to another language, in this case I'm going to demo how it translates to Chinese, it can be done as well. The AI technology will have you translate it to the language of your choice, and it is pretty accurate as well. As long as I know the transcribe is not perfect, but it's better than nothing. And after that, you can use a text and convert it into another language, which totally is amazing. I never knew that in my lifetime I'll see something like this being able to be done in the smartphone. Now, my only complaint is that if I were to have my video, export the audio file, whether I rename it to M4A, which is what the recording on the Samsung phone here is, and I place it in the folder, the voice recorder software will not see that file. It can play back, but it will not to load it in the list of this voice recorder app, and therefore I cannot use it to transcribe. So the downside is I have to place the phone near my speaker, record it with voice recorder, and then only it will transcribe, which explains maybe that's why there is some error in the transcribing, because I'm not speaking to it directly. I am playing it on my speaker for the phone to record. So yeah, there's a bit of miss there, and I hope that Samsung can upgrade on this feature so that I can put my MP3 voice recording and transcribe it into text, which it will be a lot more helpful, seeing that this phone already has AI features. And with that, we come to the end of the video. These are just the 3 AI features that I like. There's more actually. You can browse it on Samsung's official product page for the S24 Ultra. And once again, huge thanks to Samsung for sending this device over. I really enjoy using it, and I'm sure you enjoy it too if you like the features that I found on this device. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.